Very good morning one and all, and today we are going to do some extra questions on the chapter lines and angles on the demand of some students. These are some extra questions from the other books, or you can say these are the question made by myself, right? So some of the questions are from the other book and some of the questions are made by me. So you learn many more things in these questions. See what are the questions. I will solve 5 questions in this video, right? So question number 1 is measure of an angle is twice its complement. Find the measure of the angle. तो सबसे पहले तो बच्चों आप एक एंगल कंसीडर कर लीजिए और उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. देन आफ्टर उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि कंडीशन क्या है. ओके, सॉल्यूशन नंबर 1. लेट मेजर ऑफ द एंगल. लेट मेजर ऑफ द एंगल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की बात हम कर रहे हैं, दैट इज x डिग्री. मेजर ऑफ द एंगल इज x degree. Okay, then its complement, the complement become 90 minus x degree. Complement become 90 minus x degree, right? So now read the condition. Measure of an angle is twice its complement according to the given condition. According to the given condition, measure of the angle, this angle x is twice the complement, mean this part is twice than this part. This angle is twice than the complement. इसके पास डबल कैसे हैं, तो इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, इक्वल हो जाएंगे दोनों. ओके, why we are putting equal? To solve this algebraic equation to find out the value of x, you can say, right? Degree always. X is equal to, x degree is equal to 180 minus 2x. Multiply this 2 inside the bracket, it will multiply with both the constant and variable. Take this 2x degree left side, x degree plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Then 3x is equal to 180 degree. X 180 by 3, x degree you can say 60. Okay, answer of this question is 60 degree. Okay, you can say x is equal to 60 or x degree is the 16 measure, right? So similarly you can find, you just very first you have to write the angle, and you can take a b c, then find its complement or supplement as per the given in the condition, then make the equation according to the given condition. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको था कि जो एंगल है वो एंगल अपने कॉम्प्लीमेंट का ट्वाइस है, तो हमने कॉम्प्लीमेंट को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और दोनों को इक्वल पुट कर दिया, मेरी इक्वेशन सेट हो गई, राइट? सिमिलरली क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, see what is the condition. Now he is talking about when twice an angle is added to 60 degree. This is a question made by my itself. So when twice of an angle is added to 60 degree. Solution number 2. Let angle measure is equal to x degree. Okay, let angle measure is equal to x degree. Then he is talking about supplement. Supplement of angle is equal to 180 degree minus x degree, right or not? Supplement will be 180 minus x, complement is 90 minus x. Supplement means sum of these two is 180 degree. When you add this angle in this angle, minus x minus plus cancel हो जाएगा, आपको 180 मिलेगा, right? Definition of this supplement, complement, co-interior, alternate interior, alternate exterior, all the definitions I have explained in my previous video in introduction of the lines and angles. If you have not seen that video, first see that video, then you can solve these type of questions easily. Okay, there is some diagrammatic question I will take here, आप solve करेंगे उनको. Now come on the condition, when twice of an angle is added to 60 degree, twice of the angle, this is the angle, इसका twice करें 2x degree plus 60 added to 60 degree, added you will get its supplement, हमें इसका supplement मिलेगा 180 minus x, right? आप एंगल के ट्वाइस में 60 प्लस कर देंगे तो आपको उसका सप्लीमेंट मिल जाएगा. ओके, इसी तरह इक्वेशन 2x, take this x left side, plus x is equal to 180 minus 60. 60 is going right side. So when 60 will take right side, it become negative. Okay, so 3x is equal to 120 degree. So x is equal to 120 degree divided by 3. So x become 3 4 ja 12 0. X is equal to 40 degree. Okay, so first very important task is to make this equation. Okay, understand the condition given, then make the equation. This was the solution of question number 2. Now see question, next question. Find the value of x for the given diagram. How to find the value of x for the given diagram? Where is the diagram? Very first you draw the diagram. Okay, see, this is the diagram given. These two lines are parallel, L and L. Okay, and this is the transversal. If L parallel to M. Okay, 2x plus 30 degree, 9x minus 20 degree. Okay, so find the value of x for this condition. These are the two angles in between the parallel lines. What should be the value? How to find the value of x for this question? See solution. As per the properties of the parallel line, if these two lines are parallel and this A is transversal, you can say, then these two angles become co-interior angles, and sum of these two co-interior angles will be 180 degree always. This side or this side also, both the side the condition is same. Always sum is 180 degree. These are co-interior angles. Both are inside the parallel lines and both same side to the parallel line. Okay, then see, you will write 2x plus 30 plus 9x minus 20 is equal to 180 degree. This is the equation form. Okay, सबसे पहले आपको कंडीशन को देखते हुए इक्वेशन डिजाइन करनी है, so that you can find the value of x. So 2x plus 9x it become 11x is equal to 30 and 20. It become 30 minus 20. Left 10 here, so 180. When you will take this 10 right side, it become negative. 30 और 20 को मैंने यही सोल्व कर लिया बेटा. 30 minus 20 it become 10 degree plus. Then 10 राइट में गया तो आपका नेगेटिव हो गया. 11x is equal to 170 degree. X is equal to 170 degree divided by 11. Okay, this is the answer only, or you can find in decimal. X is equal to 11. 1 ja 11 1, and 6 0, 11 5 ja 55, right? And then again 5 0, 11 4 ja 44, 6 0, 11 5 ja 45. Approximately you can say. Okay, approximately this is. So similarly, so many questions we can design using the property of these parallel lines. When a transversal is there, you have to find out the missing angle or value of the variable. Okay, see the next question. Next question, find the measure of x for the given diagram. For the given diagram. Actually, this question I am taking from Oxford. So, what is the question? Just see the diagram first. Wait, my red marker, please. Excuse me. This is the question given. this is the diagram. This line is here, one more line is here, one more line is here. These are the angles made at a point. This is 2x, okay, and x by 3, this angle is x, and this angle is x by 3, and this angle is x by 3 minus 3. These are the measurement of these angles given in the form of x. You have to find out the value of x, right? This is a point O, this is line OA ray, this is ray OB, this is ray OC, and this is ray OE, right? So here you will use the property of complete angle, or you can say angle at a point. So sum of all these angles, if I say sum of all these angles made this at this point is equal to 360 degrees, right or not? So you will see, write down x plus x by 3 solution part plus x by 3 minus 3 plus 2x. X plus x by 3 plus x by 3 minus 3 plus 2x is equal to 360 degrees. Reason you will write complete angle. Complete angle. Okay? Reason is complete angle. Now solve this question. Put here in the one denominator, in the denominator of this x, 1 plus x by 3 plus x by 3. Take this 3 right side, and this is plus 2x by 3. So it will become positive, और ये 660 degree plus 3 हो जाएगा मेरे पास, right? Now take LCM of all these variable terms. ये variable के साथ terms है मेरा, मैं LCM ले रहा हूँ, that is 3. Then divide 3 by 1, you will get 3. Multiply this by 3, 3 into x, 3x. Okay, let me write it properly. 3x plus 3 divided by 3, it become 1 only. Then multiply by 1x. 3 divided by 3, you will get 1. Multiply by 1. 3 divided by 3, sorry, no, this is not 3, this is 1. This is written by mistake. Yes, 1 here in the denominator. Okay, so 3 divided by 1, 3 only. So multiply this term by 3. Multiply this term by 3. 3 into 2, 6x is equal to 363 degree. Right? 6x plus 3, 9x, 9x, 10x, or plus 11x. It becomes 11x by 3 is equal to 363. Right? Now you can now this is the equation. 11x by 3 is equal to 363. Take this 3 right side. 11x is equal to 363 into 3. No need to multiply this large value, because this 11 is coming in the denominator. 11 will divide this greater one number. 11 1 ja 11, 11 3 ja 33, 11 3 ja 33. Okay, so x is equal to 33 into 3. So answer is coming बच्चों, x is equal to 99 degree. ओके, बस आपको दो मेन काम करने हैं. आपको एक तो प्रॉपर्टी को पहचानना है, which one property you are using here. You have to use here sum of all these angles will be equal to 360 degree. Then put 1 in the denominator of each whole number, make it fraction, then take LCM and then solve it. Okay, 3 is a constant, इसको हमने beginning में right में ले लिया, that is added this. Okay, then simply you can solve this equation. You can note down this question. Okay, have a nice day. फिर मिलते हैं कुछ नए क्वेश्चंस के साथ. This one, fourth question. Okay, so very soon I'm going to take a test. It is already planned. मिलते हैं very soon YouTube पे. Thank you so much for watching my channel.